How to create Bitcoin Lightning Wallet. To create a Bitcoin Lightning Wallet, you have several options depending on your preferred platform and level of expertise. For this video, I am showing Green Bitcoin Wallet. On Home page, click on Settings. Click on Create Account. On this page, click on Lightning. Click on Continue. From here, I'm going to just be waiting a couple seconds for Green to create my new Lightning account. My new Lightning account has been created. You can see that populate within Green. I am going to click on this to view my account. Click on More Info. By this QR code or address, you can send Bitcoin to your Lightning account. That's it. Thanks for watching.